Wait till the end to see this tiny dog's luxury pool party day. This little dog had a pool party to attend today. He was very excited. After waking up, it was bathroom time first. The owner cleaned him carefully. Then the dog quickly grabbed the wipe and threw it straight into the trash. Perfect aim. Then it was breakfast time. The dog quickly finished his small task and walked straight to his table. Today, the owner prepared a big and healthy meal with milk on the side. The little dog ate it very seriously. So delicious. After finishing, the owner brushed his teeth, cleaned his mouth, and dried his soft fur. Then he wore a cute outfit and was completely ready for the party. All set! At the pool party, the little dog could hardly wait. His tiny paws were already moving in the air before touching the water. As soon as the owner let him go, he started swimming happily and paddling under the surface. So fun. Soon his friend joined him too. They kept playing and playing and playing until they became completely tired. Poor little pups. After coming back home, the owner gave him a relaxing milk bath. The sweet smell of milk filled the air, and the dog closed his eyes in pure happiness. Then a gentle face mask and a soft massage followed. His fur was brushed fluffy again, and he looked like the happiest little pup. So cute. Finally, the owner cleaned his eyes, brushed his teeth again, and took him to the bathroom one last time. Now he was ready for a peaceful night's sleep. Sweet dreams. And after all this, who wouldn't give a like to this adorable little pup?